So today we're doing a routine tune-up or replacing the spark plugs based on mileage. But I want to share a quick tip with you. Anytime you're replacing the spark plugs on a Coil-On-Plug or a COP equipped vehicle, it's very important to replace the boots on the ignition coil at the same time as replacing the spark plug. One of the primary reasons is a phenomenon called carbon tracking. As you can see in the image on the screen here, carbon tracking occurs when some carbon is transferred from the boot itself to the spark plug. As you can see on the spark plug, it almost looks like it's got a crack, but that's carbon tracking. So if we replace the spark plug and don't replace the boot, within a matter of time, the carbon from that boot will transfer back to the spark plug and we'll have a misfire again. So when we're replacing the spark plug, it's very important to replace the boot at the same time. So if we look at the one in this particular vehicle, I can simply twist and pull the old boot off. Now we've got a gasket up here on the top, and so I'll slide that down, get that out of the way. Now I'll take my new gasket, slide it up there. We want to make sure that we keep any dirt and contamination or even liquids from going down inside the spark plug well. Then we also want to take a look down inside here and make sure there is no rust or corrosion. If there's rust or corrosion on the tip of the ignition coil, well, that's going to cause a problem. In that case, we're going to want to go ahead and replace and install just a brand new coil assembly. But this one looks nice and clean. And you can see this boot here comes with a new coil spring essentially, which is going to transfer that high voltage from the coil to the spark plug. And so I'll slide that in here, pop it in place, ensure it's in there good. There. So now we've got that completed, we're ready to go ahead and replace the spark plug, and we'll go ahead and replace the boots on all these other ignition coils.